Welcome to our Siemens Automotive Showroom and Test Center, where we are testing the future. Let's talk about the mobile wireless communication standard that will change the industry, 5G. 5G is fast and you can connect a multitude of devices. But what's most crucial for industry is reliability. Production has to keep flowing, and even in industry, life isn't always programmable. So how can you respond to unforeseen events? If I cross the path of this AGV, it'll have to stop. Stop, I said. Good AGV. We're making this ID a reality with our 5G user equipment, SCALANCE MUM856-1. The name isn't the coolest thing about this device. It's the fact that you can use it in both public and private 5G networks. You can mount it right on mobile and on stationary equipment. And it's robust and resilient to master whatever challenges it needs to tackle in tough industrial environments. Today we need to communicate with machines from anywhere. For example, for remote maintenance. And wherever you are, secure access is always the key. What about using public 5G networks for this application? That's what we are offering with our management platform SINEMA Remote Connect for secure remote access via public 5G networks. The SCALANCE MUM856-1 can be mounted on a machine, and you can easily connect to it with a VPN tunnel using SINEMA Remote Connect. Using this secured connection, you can perform remote maintenance on the machine, even when the machine is part of a local company network. Because the SCALANCE MUM856-1 also supports 4G, you can start today, and you're totally 5G ready. Here in Nuremberg, we are testing the device in our own private, standalone 5G test network. It's being tested with Siemens prototypes, which will guarantee the reliability required in industrial applications. Here's the heart of it all, the 5G core, the central unit and the distributed unit that connects multiple radio units. They are located in the factory, which ensures optimal wireless coverage. That's exactly what our customers need, and with our innovations, we are making that happen.